Well, welcome again to our video newsletter, as we're now calling it, the latest edition. And it's January, no it's not, it's just February. And of course we're starting to think about the Lent booklet that we produce every year. And we're just about to start to promote it. So do you want to tell us a little bit more about it, Kimerie?
Yes, this year it's all about fasting and feasting, really taking into deeper conscious awareness the idea of every day letting go, of denying, of releasing something that no longer serves us, and then affirming and recognising what does, as through the power and presence and activity of God. So the whole booklet this Lent season is focused on fasting, letting go of thoughts and ideas that we know no longer serve us, feasting on those ideas and thoughts that do. It's beautifully put together, beautiful colours and pictures and affirmations, and also articles in there to add to it. So it looks like a beautiful booklet. It's on order, so it'll be with us within about the next 10 days or so, and yes, we're starting to promote it.
And it sort of takes you through day by day, am I right? Is it
Yes.
like a sort of daily word structure that you can have something to reflect on or something to think about each day?
Yes, each day it's either fasting from a thought or an idea that you know doesn't work, or feasting on one that does. So the idea is that day, that's what you focus on, you put it into practice. In all the everyday occasions that arise, all challenges that come up day to day, this stuff is to help us apply it to what's real for us, so that we really can put into practice that we know that serves us.
Okay, but now further ahead, if we're looking a little bit beyond Easter, we're beginning to think about the retreats program, and you also have a workshop coming up soon.
Yes, the workshop is in May. That's with Martin Nathaniel, who has been here several times in the past and is very popular interfaith minister, very much in line with the way that we talk in unity. And his workshop is the Path of Oneness, which is really the way unity is going much more these days, talking about our oneness with God, with the power within us that expresses through us. So his workshop will be focused on that, with ideas and prayers and meditations. And we're doing it in May to align with our Sunday service, so that the Saturday will be the workshop, the Sunday will be our service, and those that want to can stay over in Maidenhead. We can have a meal out together the Saturday evening, free time Sunday morning to enjoy the river or the town, and then Sunday with the service in the afternoon, and then going home after that, to make a little sort of mini retreat in Maidenhead. We've started doing it.
Lovely. And now the retreats, we've got two retreats to think about now.
Yes, the silent retreat is at the end of July. We've extended that. I put out an email to those that have come in the past asking if they'd like to extend it to 2 days of silence, because the retreats Friday to Sunday always go by so quickly, and we feel like we've just settled into the experience of the retreat and we're having to pack up and go home. So this is a Friday to Monday experience. So Friday is about introducing it, ideas and things to focus on. I also want to set up a labyrinth that we can walk in our own time. And then Saturday and Sunday will be silent, with quiet prayer meditation times together. Really 2 or more in silence really does have an empowering effect. And then Monday drawing it all to a close, so that we can go back out into the world taking that energy with us.
And it's a beautiful setting, isn't it? Wonderful.
Yes, Holland House. It's on the river Avon, I think, Avon or River Severn, and the grounds go right down to the river, and you can see kingfishers, the canal boats go by. And the grounds there are really, really relaxing. It's the perfect location for a silent retreat.
And the second retreat?
That's the end of September, and that's at Whalley Abbey, and that's much more chatty, very much sharing ideas and off each other. It's not just the person that's speaking, but within ourselves as a group we all have great wisdom to share. And so this retreat is very much focusing on that environment. And Whalley Abbey we've been to many times. And at Whalley Abbey we are doing Thursday to Saturday, because many people like to travel on those days rather than a Friday, Sunday. So we're giving that option as well.
Lovely. Well, there's a lot to think about there. So we'll leave it at that, I think.
Yes, lots of exciting things for the year.
Absolutely, as the spring approaches.
Yes.
Okay, lovely. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you, Steve.